Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2024 Ram 3500. Get an off-road workhorse with a high-end luxury car feel in this boldly beautiful 3500. Powerful and loaded with amenities, this rugged, supremely capable truck leverages the latest tech to maximize its already impressive towing and hauling chops. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim. You don't have to give up luxury to get heavy-duty capability. Get the best of both worlds with this comfort-focused 3500. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.